Hello everyone, welcome to the Survey Diary YouTube channel. In this video, I'll talk about some of the tools in AutoCAD. It is helpful for beginners who are interested in this software. So, click the subscribe button and come with us. If you are new to our channel, you can find the basics from the previous videos. So, this is the third part of the basics of AutoCAD. Let's get started. First, I'll tell you how to draw the line without any specified length or direction. As I said in the first video in this series, this is the draw panel. So I'll discuss these tools one by one. The line is the most basic tool and the one you will use most of the time. One way of drawing line is to go Home tab and click on the line tool. Or you can simply type L as a shortcut and press enter. Then it will proceed with the line command. As you can see here, now it will start from the point. It will ask you to specify the first point. So I'll click here. Then it will ask next point. Now I move the cursor to the right. When you do that, here it shows the approximate length of the line. I'll click here. Now a line has been drawn and it asks for the additional line sections to continue. I'll click here. Now press enter or escape button to finish the command. Let's see how to draw a line at a specific length. So let's make a line with the precise length of 10. In this case, I have something important to say. If you proceed the same command, you don't have to type or click again and again. All you have to do is press the enter key. Since the last command you used was the line, I could press enter to revert the line command. Look, it turned on again. I'll now type 10 and press enter. Now its length will be 10 and press enter. To confirm this, I click on the line and right click. Go to quick properties and here you have it. Let's see how to draw a line at a specific angle. There are two methods. Let's make a line at a 45-degree angle. I'll get line command again. Just click somewhere to specify the starting point. Then I type 20. Now instead of pressing enter, press tab on your keyboard. As you can see, the length has not changed. But you can change the angle now. I place the cursor here, type 45 and press enter. As you can see, we created the line from a certain angle. If you want to make an angle and draw a length, you can go with this method. I'll get line command again. You need to enter the left angle bracket and the angle. For example, I will enter left angle bracket. You can press it with shift key and type 45. Move the cursor to indicate the direction. Then the angle is already set to the 45 degrees. So now you need to enter the length of the line. Now just type the length. So I'll type 20. Finally, we drew a 20-meter line in the direction of 45 degrees. Now press enter. Let's talk about Polyline. A polyline is a connected sequence of line segments created as a single object. Let's draw a polyline with straight segments. First, you need to click on the Polyline tool or type PL as shortcut and press enter. Then select the starting point of the polyline. So I'll just click here. Then click the end point of the first segment. Now we can continue it as needed. To exit this command, press enter. To discuss the difference between line and polyline, again I'll draw few lines. The basic difference between these two is that if you click on the polyline, the entire line is selected. If you select a line, only that specific section will be selected. This will be one of the reasons why you choose to use polyline. You can easily move and copy polyline as a unit. This is an advantage of using polylines instead of using lines. So let's see how to draw a wide polyline. We can define the width of the polyline segments and taper the width across the segment. For that, take polyline again and specify the first point of the polyline. Click here. Now you need to enter width. If you go with the command line, you can click on that width. Enter the starting width of the segment. So I'll enter 1. Here you can specify the ending width of the segment using two methods. If you want to create a segment of equal width, just press enter. Now type the length of the polyline. I'll type 20. Then you can see the polyline with equal width. If you want to create a tapering or increasing segment, you can enter a different width. To create the increasing segment, I'll get polyline. In this case, I'll enter the starting width as 1 and ending width as 5. Press enter to end the polyline. To create a tapering segment, again I'll get polyline. In this case, I'll enter the starting width as 5 and ending width as 1. The other steps are similar to the previous one. Now press enter. Now you can see the white polyline, but it is not having equal width. Finally, we can draw equal width polyline, increasing segment and tapering segment. Thank you for joining with us. See you in next video.